Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to show you and talk to you about the best mustard algae killer that you can buy. And at this point I've been servicing pools for a little over 16 years, and the product that I'm going to show you by far is better than any product that I've ever dealt with. So here we're at a new account. There's mustard algae. We're going to go ahead and use this product that I'm talking about, and there's a glare, so I don't know how well this is actually showing it, but this is throughout the pool. I wish I could show you the whole pool, but the glare is going to stop it. But it's all down all throughout the pool, okay, all the way around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this product, and I'll be right back. If you're new to my page and you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new content. There'll be links in the description where you can pick up these two products. Okay, so here's the two products that I recommend. It's going to depend on the size of pool that you have. So this one is 7.5 thousand gallons to 20,000 gallons. That's the blue. And the black one is from 20 to 30,000 gallons. Now, this one has a white bottom. A lot of the newer ones will have black bottoms, so it doesn't matter. But what you're going to do is you're going to try to balance out the chemicals. I went ahead and got a phosphate treatment in here. You can see it's actually clouding up. You're going to backwash, clean your filter. If it's a cartridge filter, sand filter, go ahead and clean that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open up the product, whatever one that you're going to use, and you're going to put it into your pump basket. You're going to run the pool, I think it's at least 4 hours on the first day. You're not going to backwash for 2 weeks. So backwash or clean your filters for 2 weeks, and that's it. And you can see, once again, this is another side. Mustard algae all throughout it. So we're going to go ahead and get this in. Algae treatment that I can recommend, and it will also kill green and black algae, and it'll prevent all of them from occurring. I like to use this if a pool has black algae or mustard algae. If it's green, I go ahead and just kill it normally. Now, I do have a video I'll link in the description to where there's 5 steps to prevent algae without using this product, but if you don't have the time, I highly suggest it. So with this particular account, we're going to go ahead and use the Polaris Black, and this is for 20 to 30,000 gallons, and we're going to put it into the pump basket. So thanks for watching. If you ever have any questions about your pool, just feel free to post it in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next videos.